In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Shopify in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged in to your Shopify account. Once you're on Shopify's homepage, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this to open up the Apps section, which is your gateway to a wide range of integrations and enhancements that Shopify offers. In the search bar within the Apps section, type Printify. As you begin typing, Shopify's dynamic search function will help you along by filtering results, so you should see the Printify app appear fairly quickly. Click on Printify to be directed to its dedicated app page. This page provides you with all the essential details about Printify, including features, user reviews, and a comprehensive description. Take a moment to explore this page, particularly if you're new to Printify, as it offers valuable insights into what this app can do for your store. Once you've familiarized yourself with the details, focus on the Install button prominently displayed on the app page. Clicking Install will initiate the installation process. Shopify, being a user-friendly platform, will prompt you to confirm your action to ensure you are deliberately adding Printify to your store. Simply follow any on-screen prompts, confirming the installation, and in just a few seconds, Printify will be successfully added to your Shopify apps. With Printify now installed, it should automatically open on your Shopify dashboard. This will serve as the starting point for our next steps, setting up Printy for your store. While each Printify user may have different customization preferences, their setup process is designed to guide you through configuring your store's specific needs effectively. Whether it's selecting products, configuring shipping settings, or syncing print designs, pay close attention to each step presented by Printify. For those unfamiliar, Printify allows you to create and sell custom products without ever worrying about inventory or shipping. As you work through their setup wizard, you'll discover various options to align Printify's services with your business goals. This is a good moment to ponder how Printify fits into your broader strategy. Select the products that resonate with your brand and plan marketing strategies. Once you've completed these guided steps in the Printify app, your setup is complete. Connecting Printify to Shopify opens myriad opportunities for product customization and fulfillment efficiency, and the integration you've just implemented will help streamline your online sales efforts tremendously. And there you have it, connecting. Printify to Shopify is as simple as that. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore the full range of features Printify offers, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into more advanced options as you grow familiar with the platform. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.